Hello, good evening Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Muhammadiyah in Jabodetabek held Eid Adha prayers last Saturday. A number of Muhammadiyah residents in Jabodetabek, Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi held Eid al-Adha prayer on the 1443 Hijri on the Saturday 9 July 2022. In the fact, followers of the Naksabandia order in the Padang West Sumatra have performed the Eid Adha prayer 1143 Hijri last Friday. Is it known? The government said 1 Zulhijriah on the Friday, July 1, 2022, and Eid Adha falls on Sunday, July 10, 2022. Muhammadiyah resident who held Eid Adha prayer in the Jabodetabek today were held in the contract at the Muhammadiyah Dakwah Center in the Menteng Raya Street, number 62, Gambir Central, Jakarta. Previously, Muhammadiyah had said in the Adha day to fall on this day. Residents ranging from the adults to children have visited the Muhammadiyah Dakwah Center signs in the Soba. Today, Eid Adha prayer it was also held at Muhammadiyah School in the Jalan Dumai Raya Street, Sud Patukuang, Pasanggerahan, Sud, Jakarta. Eid prayer the mosque begins start in the 7 a.m. Congress for the Eid Adha prayer half of locket. Mosque sends to 6 a.m. The current ticket seems to the bring who has prayer taught equipment's prayer rights. In the Depok City, Eid Adha prayers were to be all Birimas Kucingka area Sawangan. The residents likely prevents that the prayer after Eid Adha prayer was complete. Residents cried to the living the old Biru Mosque pen while the equipment was assisted by the resident to the cleanup to the prayer mats. Some of the consequences took a selfie to contrast the mosque. There was also the children approached the hawker prayer meanwhile the hundreds of the Muhammadiyah residents held in the Adha prayer in the country of the Jabar Grand Mosque to the Brumnas do. The Nasbah Kurdish congregation in the Padang has ability at Adha on the Friday, 8 July 2022. The next news is the sale of the certificate animal disgrace compared to the previous year. Signed the stall of the week. Ustad Ahmadiji said that only 25 coats has been sold or the 40 coats has been sold. The number of the sales increasingly much decreases compared to the previous year. Saying the condition have to do the public will not worry because the certificate animals sold in the stall are ready to be the soul of the term. Furthermore, Ustad Ahmadji sold every someone want to buy certificate animal. The man asked the death of the animals. Some ago several village party of the Aris speedily check into the house. Certificate animals come to Ustad Ahmadji's stall to the check condition of the animals. Not only that, spring the expedition of the two craned of the pre-certificate animals, Ustad Ahmadji said that the return to the normal as before. Initially, where the pandemic first broken out in the Mataram city, the price of the decrease, the price of the certificate animal at the Sas Asmati stall in the short arrived 15 to the 2,000 million for the one cow, while for the goods it around 2 to 5 of million. The next news is Semarang Ministry of the Religion employed return house burned. The resident of the retired employee of the Ministry of Religion of Semarang City, Ahmad, 70 years old, on the Nakula Street, Padikarian Kidul Village, Central Semarang District, Semarang City, burned out on the Thursday. The fire occurred at the 3 a.m. and was the discovery of the Ahmad performance after the Tahajjud prayer. The fire equipment of the second floor and the 80-by-the-meter house of the use as the resident. At the time, the resident of the Ruasa Disability and his wife Santari, as well as a 7-year-old grandson who was in the grade 5 of elementary school. According to the Dinta, the fire was known to have occurred after Ahmad performed the Tahajjud prayer. At the time, Ahmad heard a noise of the region near of the room. The radiator of the dining room of the second floor of the house. Not long after, the fire spread of the another rooms until the entire building on the second floor burned down. He said that the firefighters arrived 15 to the 20 minutes after the incident. Therefore, the fighting units of the help put to the fire. The fire equipment the second floor building, which is the student's residence, meanwhile the first floor, which is used as the school's special shop, was accompanied by the fire rig reading the laws that did not sure for us. The next news is 8 nights in the style of the Pambasuang resident. Resident of the Pambasuang, Palan Pinipat Bas District, Polman, West Sulawesi finally returned to the Krainau tradition every year in the night or Takbiran night. Various traditional are carried out by the Pambasuang residents to welcome the Eid al-Fitr on the 1440 Hijri this year. 3 are thus around in the crying to the Christ citizens not to correct. In the fact, some as usual priestly welcome Eid al-Adha 1440 Hijri 1000 and resident of the Pambasuang Urua. He said that the Takbiran traditional around in the village was carried out every year. The previously at the Tribun Sulbar from the various village in the Sampuang also implement the Takbiran night. For the example, youth in the Sabang Subi village, Pasembuangal village, Bala village, and the Galungan Tulu village also implement in Takbiran night. Scene. Also, the small children adults a treatment celebration of the Eid al-Fitr 1143, in additional to the traveling around in the village. The youth of the 30 holy phrases of the Quran in the welcoming Eid al-Fitr 1440 Hijri. The next news is Baka Ambon resident greatly damaged by the flood. Due to the flood, the garden belonging to the Baka resident Ambon City were damaged. The resident garden which were damaged by the flood are behind the private residence of the gardener of the Maluku Murtad Ismail. According to the TribunAmbon.com's monitoring on the Saturday at the 8 a.m., the garden of the by-10 meter belongs and one of the resident parties to the being damaged by the switch current on the flood that occurred yesterday. Materials of mud, wood, and set fire small platform areas with the number plastic bag filled with garbage rained by the flood yesterday. According one resident Levian to the Kasava, garden belonging to the resident, had to be picked up and wetness when the flood hit. Previously, the flooding occurred after night in the adult side and the submerged 9,000 residents in the area Friday, 8 July 2022. As a note, Ambon City is experiencing extreme weather in the recent week. Disasters such as flood in resident and planetary occurred. Flooded by the several points in Ambon City due to high intensity in the river heaven rainfall and the rest is Ambon City and last Friday. Several points and experienced flooding. Doubly Poka, Batu Merah, in the Airwoods and many more. The Protocol Street in the center of the Ambon City were also flooded due to the heavily raining to occurred all the day long. The next news is fire in the Bumi Waras, Bandar Lampung, 8 houses in the sold out. As a result of the fire at the Bumi Sanas, 8 houses of residents were reported to have been equipped by the Red Rooster. It is suspected that the cause of the fire at the Bumi Waras due to electric short circuit. Local residents are still shocked by the incident. It is location close to the main windstorm and fire. The wind is strong. The fire spread to the first and the last week excited by the 8 p.m. Lucky we are respond to the casualty. Until the news was public, residents continued to come in the location. The next news is the purchase price of the palm oil FFB in the Nunukan in the drops. The purchase price of the fresh fruit branch of the FBB in Nunukan has fallen. Crisis farmer to the Swiss selling fruit to Malaysia took the collector. A number of the plant farmers in Sukudayan, Taikafle, said Manggaris district were forced to the FFB or fresh fruit branch of the plant to Malaysia. This was done because the purchase price of the FFB by the palm oil companies in Nunukan Regency dropped. Not even in Kurutan will a price determination by the provincial government of the Kaltara. As the saying going goes, the grace touches another side and greedy that the grace itself. This is no oil palm farmers in Indonesia to Malaysia border area in the currently filling. Meanwhile, the Hills FFB to the Pit Perbatan Nusan Sanjura and the True CV Sunatri is only 1,090,000 per ton, or talk and farmers and fishermen corrective for only 1,020,000 per ton. Well, I think those are all the news for today with me, Kustum Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.